You see here the perfect solution for your stores or your customer shops. This solution here is 5 meters wide, and we have here different categories in there. And let's start with the DIN and standard parts module, with the first module. As I told, we have here the DIN and standard parts on the top, and included down here the clips and clamps. For example, we have here a BMW clip. We labeled it also with BMW, and on the side you find the manufacturer numbers for this clip. On the bottom we have here included exhaust parts. The second module is all about electrics, and electrics starts on the top with fuses and all kind of fuses, or also fuses holders. In the middle part, in the middle section, we have here the cable connectors. You know them already from the workshop concept. And for example here, we have here the red cable connector, also with information on the top and some additional information on the side. In the third module, we included on the top everything about oil service, and in the middle part we have here fuel hoses and connectors and clamps for fuel hoses. For example, here the bigger clamps, maybe also for water connections or for water hoses. The last two modules out here are additional modules which contains the bigger package for workshops, for example, or to sum it up for your workshops or for your shops also, for professional users. We have here the package with the known cable connectors with 50 pieces content. Last but not least, we want to show you our standalone, and this is a single presentation solution with a width of 0.5 meter, 50 centimeter. And we included here flex pipes, which are used for exhaust repairment. We can also change the product from the exhaust parts here and include on the small shelf also the blister package from the other modules, of course. Let's start with some additional information and what do we different from our market, from other market companies, or maybe let's say what we do better to other market companies. Let's start on the top with the top displays. The top displays are here used to recognize and to identify the parts in the shelf from a distance, and you see here it's all about connecting part and consumables, and so your customer or your shop customer easy recognize when he enters the shop that he finds here everything about small parts and consumables. We included in this shelf, and this is also for all other individual solutions for your shops, we included here the color guide system, which means every product category has their own color. We start here in the first module with the blue color, and the blue color is used for DIN and standard parts and also for clips and clamps. On the second module we have the red color guiding system, which includes everything about electrics, what I told you earlier. And the green color is used for oil service and also for fuel hoses and for connectors for fuel hoses. In the middle of the shelf you see our customer guide system, which means we have here in the first module a better description about the parts and also what parts are included in the shelf. For example, here we have screws, nuts, washers and so on. We also have pictures from the products and also some information how to use the products at home or in the workshop. For example, the second customer guiding system here is the guiding system for clips and clamps. We can easily change this customer guide systems and we have additional information here. Let's start with the additional information. I use my phone, or the customer can use his phone. He can scan the QR code and then he finds additional information about the clips and clamps here. For example, we linked here the clips and clamps poster. To change, we can simply change this customer guiding system. This is here now in the German language. We can also switch easy languages, or if we reorganize the whole shelf, for example, to rework it, we can also change this guiding here. And now we have the English description in the shelf. We can also do this with every other description here on the shelf and also with the top displays, of course. Last but not least, we want to show you our labels on the products. We have here the known labels, also with the customer guiding system and with additional product information. And we have here a second row for labels. For example, we included here additional information, what kind of products are in the shelf, and also with a high visibility and with pictures, so that the customer can easily find the products in the shelf at a glance. Now you have seen a lot of interesting details and heard a lot of interesting details about our shop concept and about the single modules. Let's continue and sum it up with your benefits and your added values and also your customer added values in the next PowerPoint slide. Let's start with your advantages as a SWG customer. You have seen the color and customer guidance systems for your shelf, which also helps you and your employees to save time during your daily business. We can offer you individual concepts which perfectly fits to your stores or your needs. Also, our system and our shelf is space saving and has a high area productivity, which means our blister package can easily be combined in the different sizes and matches perfectly together. We provide you continuous analysis of your sales to help you to have only the best and rentable products in the shelf. Also, we have a customized pricing system to give you the best price for your end consumer. Our shelf is easy to set up and also for you easy to reorder through the EAN barcodes or the article numbers. Let's continue with the advantages of your end consumers or your workshops. Also, the customer guidance system and the color guiding system helps your customers and your end consumer to find the products in the shelf easily and fast. We have also a need-based packaging, which means that the quantities in the packaging units and in the blisters meet perfectly the demand of your end consumers and your small workshops. Also, the blister package is our smallest package that we have in our product range. Finally, we can conclude that our SWG shop concept is the perfect solution for you and your shop or store customers. We are sure that we can increase your sales and profits with this concept.